Hey guys, bike check. Starting at the top, I've got sprayed lace bars in black. They used to be blue. You've probably seen them in my other videos. Grips, Colt Vans waffle grips, very good, very good. Mission brake lever, it's a bit rubbish actually. Mission gyro. Stolen convict stem, pretty good, never had any problems. Same grip. I've got, I think, the kink pegs on the front. They're okay, they're not brilliant. Got a Gusset Thuka wheel, don't care what it is. Bit heavy but dead strong, double rimmed, quite good. Seat is it? United Value seat. Got it for a £5 off Carl. It's alright. Seat post, I've got Shadow blue seat post. For the frame, I've got the Federal Renegade frame with the Rampwork sticker and stuff like that. And then I've got forks, forgot to mention, are Mission Volt forks, I think. Don't know. Yeah, they're very snaky. Mission cranks, they're okay. Come loose sometimes. Twisted pedals, they're okay. They're pretty grippy. Kink decimal sprocket, stock again. And chain, don't care. Don't know what it is. I've got a green stereo wheel. Swapped it for a Tesco helmet. And no money. Very good wheel. I haven't had any problems. The tyres, I've got Schwalbe Dirty Harry tyres on both things. And yeah, pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Got the Federal cutout there. And that's my bike check. Please like, rate, subscribe, blah blah blah. Bye.